Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove suggestions from Opera GX. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Open any browser and search for Opera GX. And go to the official site of Opera GX. Then you will find the interface as shown in the tutorial. Click on the Download option and the file starts to download. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation wizard. A pop-up will appear as shown in the tutorial. Click on Accept and install. Again, click on Accept. Then it starts downloading the Opera GX application. It takes some time to complete the installation process based on your internet speed. The application will open automatically after the completion of installation process. The initial interface of the browser will be as shown in the tutorial. Click on the gear icon available on the left sidebar. Then it takes you to Settings page. On the top right, you will find the search bar. Type suggestions there, and it displays the results by highlighting the searched keyword. Toggle the options indicating in the tutorial to turn off the options. That's it. This is how you can easily remove suggestions from Opera GX browser. How to remove speed dial suggestions from Opera GX browser. Launch the Opera GX browser on your computer. In the URL bar, type the address displaying on screen. And hit enter, then it redirects you directly to the Start Page section in the Settings page. There, you will find the Show Speed Dial Suggestions option. Click on the button available beside that option to stop the suggestions. This is how you can easily remove speed dial suggestions from Opera GX browser. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.